Guys, welcome back to my tech education YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about a messenger app called Telegram. And I now Telegram downloads was more than to before, because I think because of Facebook and WhatsApp, their problems. They had problems. Therefore, their softwares was their softwares was stopped for for small time, and uh, they the peoples are changed to soft another messenger apps. And uh, I think therefore Telegram had 1 billion downloads. Before it had, I can remember, uh, when I download the Telegram, it had only uh, 500 million downloads. And now it had uh, more more than to 500 millions. Now they had 1 billion uh, 1 billion downloads. And yeah, today I'm going to uh, talk about Telegram. And now I went to the Telegram download website. And yeah, now I went the website. You can download it for your Windows computer. And you can download it for your phone, that's mean mobile phone. And I click this get Telegram for Windows. uh, this is a 64-bit one. And you can look like this option. Yeah, and I close it because of I download it. And uh, you can uh, get it for your uh, desktop. Went to the using start button, and right click it and go to the more option. And click more pin to taskbar. You can pin it in taskbar. And you can uh, do you want to the add it into your desktop? Go to the open file location. And uh, after you went uh, uh, click this Telegram slot, and drop it to desktop. Now I drop it. And uh, now you can show the Telegram app. And now I went to the Telegram app. Now I going to Telegram app. Yeah, now I went it. I think you can see. Yeah. Um, and you can chat with your Telegram friends. And I had more messages in Telegram. And I'm in more groups. And you can so like this. Yeah. And you can custom your settings in Telegram. Went to the this is a night mode, that's mean dark mode. You can turn off it. Yeah. Yeah. Now my background night mode was turned off. And we can turn on again. And I had two accounts. I created two accounts. And yeah, and you can edit the accounts. And I wanted to for you, we uh, install this software for desktop. We want to the scan our QR code. Yeah, uh, now I went to the how I now I went to the how to do it. Click added account, and you can so like this interface. um, yeah, you can my telegram was loading, uh, and yeah, after you loading, you can see QR code in the screen. You scan this QR code. Yeah, now it's came my screen. And after we scan this QR code, uh, telegram QR code, um, we can use the telegram in mobile, no, desktop. And you can search another phone number, and after search uh, you can see in your mobile phone you had a message from the uh, telegram, and normal message. And um, you can uh, do you can do, you can type that code in that verification code in telegram, and you can add another account for your telegram desktop, and your mobile phone. And yeah, and today I'm going to now I'm going to talk about um how to uh, how to become a best messenger. Came the telegram, how it's better than to users. Yeah, and do you I think in WhatsApp we can we can trans only the um, call only the mm, yeah uh, we can trans only the 5 no 50 MB, yeah, 50 MB like that. And little bit more than to 50 MB. And yeah, and and the you we can translate more GB in telegram, not MB. We can translate GB and file setups, and uh, all the setups we can send in telegram more than to the WhatsApp. And we can add more profile features for uh, our telegram profile. uh, yeah, and now I added only one profile. We can go to the this click this icon, and you can add more pictures for this. Yeah, like this. And after you click done, and you can see now I now I has uh, two uh, two profiles. And um, you can custom like this also. We went to the settings and folders, and create new folder. Folder name, I uh, uh, I put name telegram. Yeah, and added click added chats. And bots, channels, groups, contracts, and click save. Now I do not save it because I custom it, and yeah, now I custom it in this, yeah, folders. Create new folder, added text, channels, save, and create. Yeah, now create new one, and uh, we can add another ones also. And we had telegram bots. We can create a telegram bots using bot father. Yeah, uh, this is the bot father. And yeah, I make some bots in bot father, and uh, uh, we start after you can create a bot using this. Go to the new bot, and yeah, go to new bot, and you can you want to the give the name, and you can select the picture for bot. I think do you you don't if you don't know about the bots, I hope to do about how to make a telegram bots, and uh, about the telegram bots. And uh, now I had more bots, and we we can uh, uh, make up bots using bot father and edit them. We can edit that bots using our coding knowledge, and we can uh, we can uh, design our bot without coding, and yeah. And uh, another feature was we can we get a call for another uh, another number. I get a call. Yeah, we can share the screen. Now I click share screen, screencast, and give share screen. Now I can't share screen because I can't share screen um, of uh, I I that's called not answer. And yeah, and the you can create a bots you and using telegram, and we can share the screen in our telegram calls, but whatsapp haven't that feature. uh, and uh, another features are whatsapp had some. We can send some status, but telegram haven't that feature. And yeah, uh, uh, and another features are we are this telegram had channels. Whatsapp users know what's the groups, and whatsapp we can added only near more than to 100, no, 200 members like that. And but telegram can added people's uh, more, I think more than to yeah, it's more than to near to the one yeah, two two no 2 members like that. Uh, and we can create a new channel, go to the new channel and give the channel names. But WhatsApp haven't that channel feature. And yeah, and uh, I yeah, and I think now you had a little bit knowledge about Telegram. I hope to do how to create a WhatsApp bots, Telegram bots, and uh, about Telegram in another video. And please subscribe me and follow in Instagram. uh, Goodbye and